So we're gonna create a simple landing page using Adobe XD. So what we need is a simple image like this one. We can get it in unsplash.com, links below the description. And we will jump into color.adobe.com. You can pick and choose or experiment on what colors you want to show. So we want to show first the grid layout, then add in the square element. I'm just creating right now the logo. If you have one, you can add it here. So let's create a sign in with Google button. I'm just using Arial as the font. Then I'm importing the Google icon that I saved. As you can see, the Google logo is crumpled up, so you have to turn off the responsive resize. Do this if you want to resize shape elements or a group of shape elements. For each element you create, always align them. Here I'm putting the humanity text so that it's more interactive. So let's put a divider if the person doesn't want to log in with Google and wants to log in using his own email. So now we're creating the fields for the email address and password. I've removed the shadow from the box because it is a text field now, to avoid from confusing it as a button. Then basically you have two ways to go for the typography of this one. So you can choose if the title of this, the email address, the word email address would be bigger than the input text, or the other way around. I prefer the other way around because it is much more clearer for the person who is typing on it. For the password text, you would like to replace it with circles. You would like the circles to be more than 8 because it is the default for common websites. Be sure to ungroup first the circles before you resize them. As you can see, I'm having trouble resizing group shapes, so I have to ungroup them then resize. Now we're creating the submit button or the login button. We will use a linear gradient style. I always have this kind of bad habit that I copy the elements, and as you can see, the upper text is gone right now because I forgot to hit the Alt key. Actually, it is the keyboard's fault. Yep, now I see the missing text. So let's put the remember me sticker. Then the forgot password link. And the sign up link. So we're about to finish this design. Now we're aligning all the elements. There you go. this is the final product. So let me know in the comments what kind of designs you want to see next. Until next time.